Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best grout removal blade is probably one of the most underrated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. If you've ever wrestled with a dull putty knife and a lot of elbow grease, you know the struggle of removing old grout. Today, we're diving deep into the world of grout removal blades, specifically designed for oscillating tools, to see which ones truly stand out and make this tedious task a breeze. Number 5. LEILUO 6PCS Diamond Oscillating Blades Kit. Introducing the LEILUO Diamond Oscillating Blades Kit. This versatile tool is designed for grout removal and various renovation tasks. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit is compatible with most quick-release systems, including DeWalt and Porter cable, and non-quick-release systems like Ryobi and Milwaukee. Please check the details to ensure it fits your tool. The blades feature a diamond grit edge, ideal for removing grout, cleaning concrete, and cutting plaster. The flat blade is designed for narrow gaps, while the crescent blade is for general tasks. The kit includes both flat and crescent oscillating saw blades. This set is suitable for household renovations and bathroom remodeling. It provides the right blade for the job. For best results, use the tool at a lower speed and avoid excessive force. Let the blade do the work by oscillating it from side to side. This will improve cutting efficiency and extend its life. Please note that this kit is not suitable for Starlock systems. Some Dremel tools may require an adapter. Check the product details for more information to ensure it works with your tool. What we like. This set boasts wide compatibility, fitting most quick-release systems. The diamond grit edge makes it perfect for grout removal and other tasks. If you have various renovation projects, this versatile set will be your go-to, offering both flat and crescent blades for different needs. What people say. These blades work wonders for grout removal, making a difficult task so much easier. The blades are sharp and cut through the grout like butter, and they fit perfectly with my oscillating tool. These blades worked well. Number 4. XXGO XG4004D Oscillating Multi-Tool Diamond Blades. These oscillating multi-tool blades are designed for grout removal. They are perfect for small jobs and can help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. This blade is mainly used for grout removal. It's not designed for cutting tiles or hard materials like granite. It's the perfect tool for cleaning up grout lines. This pack includes semicircle tomahawk standard extra-long multi-tool grout removal blades. The thickness is about 1.6 mm to 2.2 mm, which works well with 1/8 grout lines. It's best for removing plaster, mortar, and thinset. You can also use it for cleaning joints on stucco, concrete blocks, bricks, and more. This tool makes the job easier. These blades are compatible with a wide range of brands, including Bosch, Chicago, Craftsman, and many more. However, it is not compatible with some specific models, so please check before use. Please note that it is not compatible with Bosch GOP 40-30, Bosch Starlock 18V, and some Dremel and Fine models. Make sure it fits your tool before starting your project. What we like. This blade is specifically designed for grout removal, making it ideal for smaller jobs. It is compatible with many popular oscillating tools. If you are dealing with 1/8-inch grout lines, this is the perfect choice, ensuring efficient and precise removal. What people say. The Carbide grit holds up well even against tougher materials, and having multiple blades in the set means I can swap them out as needed without worrying about running short. We have used one of the blades, the pointed tip one, to remove clean existing grout between bricks and it worked very well. These diamond blades worked great to cut out and sanded grout in my tile backsplash in my kitchen. Number 3. XXGO 6PCS Carbide Multi-Tool Blades. This oscillating multi-tool blade is perfect for small grout removal jobs. It's designed to make the task easier and more efficient. This tool will help you get the job done quickly. This blade is primarily used for grout removal. Please note that it is not intended for cutting tiles or hard materials like granite. It is designed specifically for removing grout. The package includes triangular, semicircle, and finger carbide multi-tool blades. You'll receive 2 pieces of each shape. This variety ensures you have the right blade for different grout removal needs. The blades have a thickness of about 2.5 mm to 3.2 mm. This makes it suitable for grout lines that are wider than 1/8 inch. It's designed to fit and work effectively in those spaces. This tool is best for removing plaster, mortar, and grout. It's also great for cleaning joints and working with stucco, concrete blocks, and brick. It can help you with cutting, shaping, and grouting tasks. This product is compatible with many brands, including Bosch, Chicago, Craftsman, and more. It is designed to work with a wide range of oscillating multi-tools. Make sure it fits your tool. Please note that this product is not compatible with certain models. These include Bosch GOP 40-30, Dremel Multimax MM series, and Fine FMM 350 QSL. Check your tool's model before purchasing. What we like. This product features carbide blades, perfect for tackling tough grout. It is designed for grout removal and works best on grout lines wider than 1/8 inch. If you are looking for a durable and effective solution for removing thicker grout, this is the one for you. What people say. The blade is well made and durable. It cuts through the grout quickly and efficiently. The design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Number 2. XXGO XG4203L Diamond Oscillating Multi-Tool Blades. Introducing the XXGO XG4203L, perfect for tackling tough gritting and grouting jobs. These diamond blades are designed to make your projects easier and more efficient. Get yours today. Made with durable diamond material, this blade ensures long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the rigors of demanding tasks. This will be your go-to tool. Featuring a universal and quick-release design, this blade is easy to install and compatible with many tools. You can quickly switch blades and get back to work. It's designed for your convenience. Each pack includes 4 diamond oscillating multi-tool blades, providing great value. You'll have plenty of blades to complete multiple projects. It's a great investment for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Please note that this blade is compatible with many brands, but not with Craftsman bolt-on models, Bosch MXH180B GOP40 GOP12V Starlock, Delwall 20V, Dremel Multimax MM40 MM45 MM50 6300, Fine FMM 350 QSL Supercut Starlcock and Black & Decker Matrix. Check the list to ensure it fits your tool. This blade is compatible with Chicago, Craftsman, DeWalt, Fine Genesis, Harbor Freight, JobMax, Makita, Milwaukee Nextec, Porter Cable, Rigid, Ryobi, Rockwell, WEN, WRX, Zinsano and more. Make sure it fits your tool. What we like. This blade is made of diamond material, ensuring durability and efficiency. It features a universal and quick-release design for easy use. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use blade for gritting and grouting removal, this is a great option. What people say. The 6-pack comes with enough blades to keep me going for a while, and they fit my oscillating tool perfectly without any fuss. We have used one of the blades, the pointed tip one, to remove clean existing grout between bricks and it worked very well. These diamond blades worked great to cut out and sanded grout in my tile backsplash in my kitchen. Number 1. XXGO XG4000 2D Oscillating Multi-Tool Diamond Blades. This oscillating multi-tool blade is perfect for tackling small grout removal projects. It's designed to make the job easier and more efficient, allowing you to quickly remove grout without damaging surrounding tiles. This tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. The package includes both semicircle and tomahawk multi-tool blades, with 2 pieces of each. This variety ensures you have the right blade for different types of grout and access challenges. They are designed for precision and durability. With a thickness of about 1.7 mm to 2 mm, this blade is ideal for 1/8 inch grout lines. It's designed to fit into those spaces effectively, making grout removal a breeze. However, it might not be the best choice for very thin grout lines. This blade excels at removing grout from plaster, mortar, and other materials. It's also great for cleaning joints and shaping stucco, concrete blocks, and bricks. This versatile tool will become a staple in your toolkit. This blade is compatible with a wide range of oscillating multi-tool brands, including Bosch, Chicago, and many more. However, it is not compatible with certain models from Bosch, Dremel, Fine, and Black & Decker. Be sure to check compatibility before use. What we like. This blade is designed for grout removal, with a focus on semicircle blades. It is compatible with many oscillating tools. If you are working with 1/8-inch grout lines, it will provide you with the precision you need. What people say. The blade made quick work of the grout. It cut the grout out very fast and clean. This blade is a grout removal beast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.